Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Alright, I've mentioned this box here in a couple videos and some pictures on social media and whatnot, and now I'm going to open this box today. What I believe that's in this box is a brand new set of lightweight Core 4x4 control arms. I believe they're aluminum and Johnny joints on both sides. I'm not sure exactly what's in this box, but we are about to find out. Now, Core 4x4, the reason why I bought Core 4x4 control arms to begin with many years ago is because there was this guy, he has a YouTube channel called Tuned Rams, and he swore up and down that they were a good deal, and they were a good deal. So I ended up getting myself a set, and I never had to look back. All right, now I'm doing kind of some more serious stuff with my 2015 truck, so got a little bit more serious with the arms. Okay, so Core 4x4 Spence over there sent me this package, and we're gonna find out what's inside now, finally. All right, this is supposed to be a brand new set and a brand new product of Core 4x4's lightweight racing control arms for a 2009 and up Ram 1500 truck. All right, so I have my brother here with me. I'm rambling, I'm all over the place. We're gonna stop that right now. I have my brother here with me. All right, it's his birthday, and on his birthday he's gonna open up my gift. Okay, so all right, bro, you ready? Let's go ahead and get jiggy with this. Let's see what's inside here. Just messing around, my brother. It is his birthday today. He's just helping me out. We're having a good time here. We're gonna check this box out. I'm gonna be the cameraman. I usually don't have a cameraman. Today I'm gonna be the cameraman. Core 4x4. By the way, the promo code, I got a promo code through them a few years ago, and it's still rolling on. The promo code is HOTDAMN on Core 4x4's website. I believe you get 5% off. It pretty much, it pays off. It's a good chunk of money when you're buying a full set of arms, guys. Yeah. Ooh. This is awesome. I need to get me some 4x4 tape, some pretty cool tape. Give me some hot damn tape. Yeah, there's a Johnny joint right there, buddy. Oh, you know what this is? Yeah, I got the hardware kit too. Awesome. Yeah. Man, it's packaged up real nice there. Woo! Look at that. Damn, what's this? Oh, I got a shirt. Oh, I got two hats. Oh, yep, the decals. Yeah, I got a couple of hats now. Look at that. The stickers and the hats seem to be the most important thing. All right, whenever I see someone complaining on social media, they complaining because they didn't get a sticker. Look at that. These are the nice ones too. I've been waiting to get these ones. I like those. Oh, and I got another shirt. I got two shirts. Oh, yes. 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 You know what I'm going to do with this one right here, guys? This one's going to my bro. He's going to take this shirt. You like hats?
One shirt, bro.
That's who's getting that right there.
4x4.
Hell yeah, brother. Yeah, I appreciate it, Spence, and everybody at Core 4x4. This is badass. Here's the Panhard Bar. Wow. Wow. That is way lighter than the original bar. Holy moly. Really cool. Oh, yeah. Let's open these up. I forgot which one's the upper, the lower. I think, yeah, the longer ones are the lower arms, Emily, right? And we can go outside and look. Look at that. Oh man, these things are nice and beefy. Ooh. Yeah, much lighter. Much lighter than the steel. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, that's some meat. Check that out. Ready to go. Things are ready. Johnny joint looking in here. Oh yeah. Oh, these beauties are badass. Core 4x4 race. That is so cool. Oh man, I didn't even notice the race part. Badass. Johnny joints on both sides. What's really good about these arms, guys, they eliminated all the crappy noises and knocking around. Is number one, this eyelet right here is solid. Right on the stock arms, it's a piece of flat metal that's been folded around, and with all the weight of the truck, that's gonna stress and move, and then you're gonna have a bunch of noises. All right, which is not cool. All right, these ones, everything fits in nice and perfect. Badass. You get no sounds, no squeaking, no stupid wheel hop from weak bushings. Wow, those look good. They're gonna look really good on the truck right there. Man, oh yeah. Let's go outside and compare one of these arms to the ones that are on the truck right now. All right, here's the old set. These are super heavy steel, and this is 70/75 aluminum. Yeah, I think they're gonna look real good. I think I'm gonna leave them bare and then put the Core 4x4 decal on them, the same as I have here. But instead of just saying Core 4x4, they'll say Core 4x4 race. Oh yeah, I can't wait to get these on. All right, so I'm gonna give away these arms, and I wanna try to give them away to 2 people. All right, so I have a buddy, I believe he has the lower set. So I'm gonna give him the upper part and the Panhard Bar, and since you only need the lower set to get rid of wheel hop, I'm gonna give away the lower set to somebody that drag races. All right, guys, so that's what I'm gonna do with these control arms, and then I'm gonna put these race arms on the truck. Oh yeah, badass. And if I wanted to, but I think I'll get a whole new set for that. All right, I could put these these control arms that are on the truck now probably on this one, but no reason in doing that. I'd rather give them away to someone else and get a brand new set for the new truck. All right, that's the little reveal. You guys looking for some light arms, no wheel hop. All right, you guys want to get rid of some weight. There it is right there. All right, because we all know these arms are pretty damn heavy. The original Core 4x4 arms, they are no joke. They are really, really stinking heavy. All right, y'all the baddest. All right, and until next time, we'll try to get these arms on here as soon as I can. The truck's not running at the moment. It will be, though. It'll be running them down. It's not running right now, so just give me a little bit. We'll get these arms on here, and then we'll get these arms out to where they should go. All right, the old ones. And they're not in bad shape. All right, you guys can see them right now. I'm not giving away some old junk. I took care of them. So you're getting a nice little piece of equipment there, whoever gets them. All right, hot damn hell, y'all the baddest. Until next time, get some.